Have you wondered why our knuckle crack? Well, most of the people think it is their bones cracking, but that's not true. Do you know cracking knuckles will create arthritis or inflammation in your joint? Okay, let's check it out. In our joints, we have a fluid called synovial fluid in the joint that is a lubricant and it contains gases. When the joint is pulled or bent, it creates a pressure inside, and because of that, it creates negative pressure. Now, because of the negative pressure, those gas turns into the bubble, and when it is released, it makes a noise like a pop or crack. So this whole process creates the cracking in the knuckles.